Best diet for gout: what to eat, what to avoid. Gout is a type of arthritis, an inflammatory condition of the joints. It affects an estimated 8.3 million people in the US alone. People with gout experience sudden and severe attacks of pain, swelling and inflammation of the joints. Fortunately, gout can be controlled with medications, a gout-friendly diet and lifestyle changes. This video reviews the best diet for gout and what foods to avoid, backed by research. What is gout? Gout is a type of arthritis that involves sudden pain, swelling and inflammation of the joints. It happens when there is too much uric acid in the blood, causing it to deposit in the joints as crystals. How does food affect gout? Foods can either raise or lower your uric acid levels, depending on their purine content. However, fructose can raise your uric acid levels even though it is not purine-rich. What foods should you avoid? If you have gout, you should avoid foods like organ meats, game meats, fish and seafood, sugary beverages, refined carbs, added sugars and yeast. What foods should you eat? Although a gout-friendly diet eliminates many foods, there are still plenty of low-purine foods you can enjoy. Foods are considered low-purine when they have less than 100 mg of purines per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Here are some low-purine foods that are generally safe for people with gout. Fruits: all fruits are generally fine for gout. Cherries may even help prevent attacks by lowering uric acid levels and reducing inflammation. Vegetables: all vegetables are fine, including potatoes, peas, mushrooms, eggplants and dark green leafy vegetables. Legumes: all legumes are fine, including lentils, beans, soybeans and tofu. Nuts: all nuts and seeds. Whole grains: these include oats, brown rice and barley. Dairy products: all dairy is safe, but low-fat dairy appears to be especially beneficial. Eggs. Beverages: coffee, tea and green tea. Herbs and spices: all herbs and spices. Plant-based oils, including canola, coconut, olive and flax oils. Foods you can eat in moderation. Aside from organ meats, game meats and certain fish, most meats can be consumed in moderation. You should limit yourself to 4 to 6 ounces, 115 to 170 grams, of these a few times per week. They contain a moderate amount of purines, which is considered to be 100 to 200 mg per 100 grams. Thus, eating too much of them may trigger a gout attack. Meats: these include chicken, beef, pork and lamb. Other fish, fresh or canned salmon generally contains lower levels of purines than most other fish. A gout-friendly menu for 1 week. Eating a gout-friendly diet will help you relieve the pain and swelling, while preventing future attacks. Here is a sample gout-friendly menu for 1 week. Monday. Breakfast: oats with Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup, about 31 grams, berries. Lunch: quinoa salad with boiled eggs and fresh veggies. Dinner: whole wheat pasta with roasted chicken, spinach, bell peppers and low-fat feta cheese. Tuesday. Breakfast: smoothie with half cup, 74 grams, blueberries, half cup, 15 grams, spinach, 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, low-fat milk. Lunch: whole grain sandwich with eggs and salad. Dinner: stir-fried chicken and vegetables with brown rice. Wednesday. Breakfast: overnight oats, 1/3 cup, 27 grams, rolled oats, 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup, 79 milliliters, low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon, 14 grams, chia seeds, 1/4 cup, about 31 grams, berries and 1/4 teaspoon, 1.2 milliliters, vanilla extract. Let sit overnight. Lunch: chickpeas and fresh vegetables in a whole wheat wrap. Dinner: herb-baked salmon with asparagus and cherry tomatoes. Thursday. Breakfast: overnight chia seed pudding, 2 tablespoon, 28 grams, chia seeds, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, Greek yogurt and half a teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters, Vanilla extract with sliced fruits of your choice. Let sit in a bowl or mason jar overnight. Lunch, leftover salmon with salad. Dinner, quinoa, spinach, eggplant and feta salad. Friday. Breakfast, French toast with strawberries. Lunch, whole grain sandwich with boiled eggs and salad. Dinner, stir-fried tofu and vegetables with brown rice. Saturday. Breakfast, mushroom and zucchini frittata. Lunch, leftover stir-fried tofu and brown rice. Dinner, homemade chicken burgers with a fresh salad. Sunday. Breakfast, 2-egg omelette with spinach and mushrooms. Lunch, chickpeas and fresh vegetables in a whole wheat wrap. Dinner, scrambled egg tacos, scrambled eggs with spinach and bell peppers on whole wheat tortillas. Other lifestyle changes you can make: losing weight, exercising, staying hydrated, limiting alcohol and possibly taking vitamin C may also help prevent gout attacks. Gout is a type of arthritis involving sudden pain, swelling and inflammation of the joints. Fortunately, a gout-friendly diet can help relieve its symptoms. Foods and drinks that often trigger gout attacks include organ meats, game meats, some types of fish, fruit juice, sugary sodas and alcohol. On the other hand, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, soy products and low-fat dairy products may help prevent gout attacks by lowering uric acid levels. A few other lifestyle changes that can help prevent gout attacks include maintaining a healthy weight, exercising, staying hydrated, drinking less alcohol and possibly taking vitamin C supplements.